Tell you what, it doesn't matter if it's Are You OK Day. They still don't care about you any day. You know, you want to know what I'm talking about? This vehicle is freaking dangerous. Looks all right, yeah? You know, you look at it and you think, that might be okay. Let me show you something. Let me show you why you should never get into this car, he says on a road test. I was just curious. But let me show you something, because you need to know this if you're looking for a vehicle. Let me turn you around. Alrighty, so, first of all, let me show you something. This car looks okay. To begin with, you think, that's all right. And then you look a little bit closer and you go, those headlights look new. Well, and that bumper doesn't quite line up. But that's all right. Sometimes people hit things, right? I mean, my good old favourite in here, I don't know if you can see it because it's quite dark, trim clips are missing. If you follow my other videos, you'll know that missing trim clips. Oh, look, tech screw. That's always a good one. So that doesn't line up. And then I put a paint depth gauge on this, and you know what? That's been repaired. That's got filler in it. That I reckon has been sprayed. The bonnet I think is sort of mildly okay. This, look at this, look. Overspray. They've actually painted the wing mirror for some reason. I'm assuming that's a donor one. You think, oh well, you know, that's not too bad, is it? You know, why are you saying it's dangerous? Oh, by the way, new number plates. Brand new number plates. Could have had a private plate on it, maybe. Look, down through here. Look, now we're on the back. That's loose. And, oh look, trim clip's missing. That won't come off. Possibly paint. And you're wondering why I'm saying it's paint? Come under here. Look, 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 look. Have a quick look up in there. Don't know, it's a bit dark in here. Look. White. With some sort of date on it. Maybe from the type of car it came from. But, I reckon this vehicle has probably had a front and a rear end impact. Look at this, look at these gaps. Got a gap there, no gap there. So we've had possibly a rear end impact, a front end impact, and a side end impact. And you think, well, Mark, surely, what are you saying? Are you saying that this vehicle's dangerous just because it's had a bit of panel work? No. Have a look at this. Let me show you something. Look. Here's my scan tool report. Current fault. Current fault. Current. ABS. Failure to the ECM. Cannot communicate. No signal from the ODS. That's the occupant sensor system. You know, the airbag system. Can't talk to it for some reason. Open in the left side airbag inflator. Left side, what, that one? The one with the passenger or the curtain side? Now, I need to interrupt just for a second because what I'm about to tell you is not quite right. It's not actually the passenger side airbag that's at fault. No, I checked the code out. That code is actually for the driver. Yeah, because that makes it better, right? So if the people in the vehicle actually need an airbag to go off, which, let's be honest, a car will always have a driver. If we need the airbags to save someone, you can guarantee it will be 100% kill rate in this car because you might not always have a passenger, but the car's always going to have a driver. All right, back to me, and sorry about that bit of misinformation. Oh, and look, no signal from the left front impact sensor. Yeah, no signal from the left front. Where was all that damage again? Just remind me. That's right, just here. On the left front. What a shocker. So, by the way, it's done on the other side too. There's overspray on the inside. This is a shoddy job and a half. You can actually see the colour difference on here now, right? See the colour difference between that? So it could be that we've had a rear end at some point and then another one, but it could be that it's all happened all at once. But hey, look, why would we worry about getting the airbags sorted? Thanks very much for coming, passenger. We didn't really care about you. Front impact on the left hand side. Once again, who's going to take the brunt of that? Your passenger. And we're on Are You OK Day. Are you OK Day? I'm not okay. I'm not okay because I get sick of seeing these. So hey, if you think that this is worth sharing the message to let people know that these cars are out there, and actually on first look they look to be all right, but actually they're not, do us a favour, spread it around, let people know that even if they are okay, the car might not be okay, and there's some people that just don't care if you're okay or your passenger. All right, I'm going to sign out. If you need an inspection in South Australia, you give us a shout and we'll get you sorted out, all right? Take it easy, look after yourself, and I hope you're okay. I think I am. I'm going to go and have something to drink, I think. Something stiff, like a Coke. Something sugar-free, because I need to lose some weight. Anyway, I'm going to go. Chill out somewhere.